So I think in the hardest times, we have to have purpose and passion. Like for me, what got me through the hard times was I really wanted to be able to become a scientist or a doctor. I wanted to be able to do all these things. I wanted to fall in love. I wanted to have all these things that were normal in life. And I had to get through it to get to those things.
So do you have any final tips or recommendations for people with autoimmune disease?
Oh, goodness. With autoimmune disease? I mean, yeah, I think that, one, there is hope. You can get better. You can get healthier. I do it every day, and it makes every moment I was ever sick worth it. For every moment of getting to be with people who are recovering their health. But you do have to take action, and you have to find something that motivates you enough to do this. I mean, if you've been living with autoimmune disease, I already know you can do hard things because people have no idea how hard it is to just do normal things like brush your teeth and get out of bed, walk your dog when you are exhausted and in pain all the time. So you already know you can do hard things. This is not going to be hard in the long term. Living with chronic disease is hard. Adding more vegetables and getting rid of the food for the first month or so, it might be hard as you overcome food addictions. But as you get healthy, life gets good and life gets easy. So when you're going through the cravings, when you're going through, those addictions where you're just thinking about stuff you shouldn't be eating, you have to really be connected to what you're creating for your life. I call it your why. So what you want most, because it's not really a choice between like a bagel and cream cheese and a green smoothie. It's a choice between a bagel and cream cheese and the life you really want to live. So I think in the hardest times, we have to have purpose and passion. Like for me, what got me through the hard times was I really wanted to be able to become a scientist or a doctor. I wanted to be able to do all these things. I wanted to fall in love. I wanted to have all these things that were normal in life. And I had to get through it to get to those things. So a lot of times with autoimmune, people give up hope that they can have anything else. And without hope, what's the point of having a smoothie? You might as well have a cheeseburger, right? So I think hope and purpose, like what life you're trying to create, those will really be what you attach yourself to make this part worth it and really not so hard in the long term.